Take out a whiteboard, fix it on the desktop, knead a piece of yellow clay into a ball. Press the ball with your palm to make it stick to the whiteboard. Press a small piece of pink clay into an oval flat piece. Press out the texture with a tool, and the fins will be ready. Make 2 fins and stick them on both sides of the ball. Knead 3 drops of clay from short to long and stick them in the position shown in the video. Press the white clay into pieces with the palm of your hand, stick it under the yellow ball to make a fish's belly. Press the mouth position on the yellow ball with a tool. Press the mouth position with a tool. Press the eye position with a tool, stick the white clay ball as an eyeball. And the black clay ball as an eyeball. Then, rub the pink clay into a short cone shape and stick it on the yellow clay ball. A yellow little puffer fish. Try it together.